Your engine bay is one of the most critical parts of your car. Cleaning it is crucial to prevent dirt buildup, corrosion, and potential component failure. You can try some simple steps to get your engine bay looking brand new. Before you start cleaning your engine bay, it's important to prepare properly. First, make sure your engine is cool to avoid injury and damage. The next step is to remove any dry debris, like leaves, dirt, and dust, from your engine bay. A soft brush can also help loosen any stubborn dirt. Before you continue, it's important to disconnect your car battery to avoid electrical shocks. Start by locating the positive terminal and removing the cable. Set the cable aside in a safe spot. Next, cover any sensitive areas of your engine bay, like electrical components, with plastic to protect them from degreaser or water. This step helps keep everything safe while you clean. Next, mix white vinegar and liquid soap in a spray bottle. Spray this mixture onto the engine, working in small sections, starting with the underside of the hood. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Afterward, rinse off the engine bay using a pressure washer or steamer, but make sure to set the pressure washer to a low setting to avoid damaging sensitive parts. Once you have rinsed off the engine, use microfiber towels to dry the engine bay completely. Be sure to remove all the water to prevent water spots. Finally, once your engine bay is clean and dry, start the engine, and it's ready to go. A car engine degreaser is a specialized cleaning product designed to break down and remove built-up grease, oil, dirt, and grime from your engine. Chemical Guys Orange Degreaser is a powerful specialty formula designed to remove years of grime, including motor oil, coolant, hydraulic fluid, and diesel fuel from engines. It effectively cleans caked-on mud, grease, and road grime from wheels, suspension components, and undercarriage parts. It easily cuts through grease and oil on any surface. The degreaser is super concentrated, allowing you to adjust the cleaning solution strength for different messes, providing versatile use in any situation. So, take the time to care for your engine bay and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient ride.